How to change the thumbnail on a YouTube video. Hello digital family. Today I will show you how to change the thumbnail on your video on YouTube. I'll use YouTube Studio on a computer browser. In one of the previous videos, I made a tutorial on how to change the thumbnail using the YouTube Studio app on a mobile phone. I'll post the video link in the description of this video. You can watch it if you want to learn that other method as well. So let's get started. Open YouTube via a browser. Open the homepage of your YouTube channel. Click on your channel logo in the top right corner of the screen. Select YouTube Studio. Now we need to find the video. Click on Content. As you know, here we review the entire content of the channel. You can also use the search function. I found the video whose thumbnail I want to change. When you find yours, click on the pencil icon. This option opens a screen where we can change video details. Here we see the old thumbnail. Click on the three dots. If you want, you can download the old thumbnail by clicking on the download button. To change the thumbnail, click on Change. Navigate to the new thumbnail. Select it. Click on Open. Wait a bit, and your thumbnail will be changed. Save the changes. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.